How to change your username on Shopee iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Shopee iPhone. Open the Shopee.com on your web browser. Next, enable the desktop mode in your mobile browser settings. This will allow you to access the full website version on your mobile device. On the Shopee website, you will need to change the language to English. Look for the language option, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Tap on it and select English from the available options. Now, tap on the Login button to proceed. On the Login page, you will see different login options. Tap on Google to log in using your Google account. Choose the Google account that is linked to your Shopee account by tapping on it. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the Shopee homepage. Look for your username, usually displayed in the top right corner of the page. Tap on your username. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, tap on My Account to access your account settings. On the My Account page, you will find various sections related to your account details. Locate the section that allows you to edit your username. Tap on the field where your current username is displayed and enter the new username that you want to change it to. Once you have entered the new username, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. A pop-up message may appear, providing you with information or confirming the changes you made. Read the message carefully and tap on OK to proceed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.